Welcome to my channel. We here at socialblade.com, and today we're gonna find out how much Ranz make per month. Everyone know Ranz, he's good at dancing. But before we start, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing right now because we're gonna put out a lot of videos regarding how much YouTuber make per month. Okay, so let's begin. Let's type in Ranz. Alright, is that how you spell it? Okay, that's him right there. Boy next door for business inquiries. Bada bing, bada boom. It looks like he got 1 billion views total. Oh my god, this guy is blowing up the YouTube. So let's select channel. He is A- total grade. Okay, so his estimated monthly earnings. This is estimate. I know he make right in between 12 and 204,000. Okay, so his estimate is 12.7 thousand to 204,000 per month. Okay, so if we want to be more specific, we're gonna pull out a calculator right here. This right here, the last 30 days, he got like 50 million views. Okay, 50 million. All right, 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3, yeah, right there. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna divide that to 1,000. Why 1,000? Because look, on my channel, I get paid $3.48 per 1,000 views. Okay, let's say he get paid $2 per 1,000 views. So you multiply that by 2. All right. Look, he getting paid $100,000 per month. Okay, this dude getting paid $1,000 per month. Ranz. This is legit, guys. So you multiply that by 50 because 50 is the exchange rate from $1 to peso. So he's making 5 million, all right, per month. 1, 2, 3, yeah, 5 million per month. Easy. I love this guy. I like his content. I like the way he dance. That's the fact. He's from Philippines. He's blowing it up. He's blowing up on YouTube. That's how much you make. 5 million a month at least. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. You're gonna see a lot of videos popping up. You can watch them too on how much they make per month. I'll see you guys later. Peace.